Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to retrofit a 2014 to 23 hot spring remote control and docking station with the 77433 corded topside control panel. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, putty knife, masking tape, Dremel tool. Parts you will need: 77433 control panel, 700051 adapter bezel, and the correct software. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the door panel and control box lid. Step 3. Unplug the docking station from the control head interface. Step 4. Place masking tape around the edges of the docking station. Step 5. Carefully break the silicone seal with a putty knife and remove the docking station. Step 6. Remove the tape and excess silicone with the putty knife. Step 7. Clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a clean towel. Step 8. Place the adapter bezel in the opening and trace the inside edges with a Sharpie. Step 9. Remove the bezel and cut along the lines with a Dremel tool. Be careful not to damage the shell when cutting along the line. Step 10. Dry fit the adapter bezel and control panel. Step 11. Clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a towel. Step 12. Place a 1/4 inch bead of silicone around the back edge of the adapter and glue it to the spa shell. Step 13. Place a 1/4 inch bead of silicone around the back edge of the control panel and glue it to the adapter bezel. Step 14. Remove the excess silicone with a towel. Step 15. Plug the control panel into the control head interface on the motherboard. Step 16. Insert the flash drive into the USB port. 2014 to 2018 spas with the ACE system use the 1.14D software. 2019 to 2023 spas with the freshwater salt system use the 2.04D software. Step 17. Connect power to the spa. The software will load in about 20 seconds. Step 18. Disconnect power from the spa and remove the flash drive. Step 19. Install the control box lid and you are all finished. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.